In this video, I'll show you how to send a message using WhatsApp Business Cloud integration in TinyCommand. Before we start, it's important to understand how this works. You cannot directly send a message using this node. WhatsApp Business requires that you first send a template message. Once the user replies to that template message, only then you can use this node to continue the conversation and send messages. So this node is mainly used to respond after a user has already replied to your template message. Now, let's see how to set this up. First, double-click on the canvas to open the search modal. Then search for WhatsApp and select the Send a Message action. Add it to the canvas. Next, click on the node to configure it. The first step is to add a connection. To create a connection, you need two things: a permanent access token and a WhatsApp business account ID. Once you have both, give your connection a name, enter these details and save the connection. After the connection is saved, select it and click on Continue. Now let's configure the node. The first field is Sender ID. This is a drop-down that shows the sender ID linked to your account. Select the appropriate one. Next is the Receiver field. Here you need to enter the recipient's WhatsApp number or ID, following the format mentioned in the field guidelines. After that, we select the message type. You have multiple options like text, image, audio, video, or document. For this example, we'll go with text. Then we enter the message body. This is where you type the message you want to send. There is also an option related to URL preview. This depends on how the conversation is initiated. Typically, once a business sends a template message, the user can respond or initiate the conversation using a clicked chat link. Based on that, you can control whether the URL preview is enabled or not. Once everything is configured, click on Save and Test, and if everything is set up correctly, you'll see a successful response in the output. This confirms that the WhatsApp message has been sent, and that's how you send a message using WhatsApp Business Cloud integration. And best part is, all it takes is a tiny command,